Ashok Farms for my first wedding anniversary staycation, and I would love to share my detailed review of the experience. The accommodation at Ashok Farms exceeded my expectations. The rooms were spacious, well furnished, and tastefully decorated. The food here was exceptional. Each meal was freshly prepared, delicious, and served with attention to the detail. Ashok Farms offers a range of activities for guests to enjoy. From nature walks to bird watching, there is something for everyone to indulge in. The facilities such as swimming pools, spa services, and recreational areas added an extra element of relaxation and enjoyment to our stay. So, what are you waiting for? To visit this beautiful property.
And it was really beautiful. They had a huge pool where we partied, and now let me show you their rooms. Each cottage was really big and enough for 4 people or a family. Plus, they have really beautiful and huge washrooms with private pool or jacuzzi. Immediately after this, I got my decor sorted from my decorator. He did a really nice job, and then I left for my hair and makeup. It was done by Simran. I'll tag her ID in the caption box, and I absolutely loved my hair and makeup. This is the final look. And here's me posing with my birthday dress and my birthday decor. The dress was from Myntra और मेरे सारे लेट लतीफ़ दोस्त पहुंच गए थे. I called them at 9 and everybody shows up at 10:30. The pink cake was from the Cake Bake by Manasa. I'll tag their ID, and the white and red cake was from Kikofi. After the cake cutting session, the moment of truth, I changed my dress and got pictures done in this black dress as well. And I would like to thank each one of you for wishing me and making my day.
Hi NCR Delhi Gurgaon people. If you are looking for a wedding destination, then I have found a hottest wedding destination for you, which is Ashoka Farm, and this is located in sector 95 Gurugram, which is just 15 minutes away from SPR Road. And here you will get lush green lawns, and you will be getting the full-fledged wedding packages starting from 1500 rupees to 2500 rupees. And as you can see behind me, there are villas, rooms available, so you can come here and you can book your wedding destinations, wedding parties over here, and you will be getting food, decoration, and your catering. Everything will be sorted.
और इतना अमेजिंग ब्यूटीफुल फार्म हाउस है ये. फार्म हाउस कम रिसोर्ट कह सकते हैं इसको. इतना अच्छा मौसम ने हमारा साथ दिया. ये स्टेकेशन हमने मेरी मदर इन लॉ के बर्थडे के लिए हमने ये बुक किया था, जिसमें हमने ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 कॉटेजेस लिए और 2 विला रूम्स थे हमारे. ये था मेरा रूम, और जो कि बहुत ही स्पेशियस विद 2 ACs इन द रूम. सो गर्मी तो नहीं लग रही थी बिल्कुल भी, और प्राइवेट जकूजी भी था. और ये था मेरा रूम व्यू. वी हैड दिस पूल राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई विला, एंड हमने बहुत सारे वहाँ पे गेम्स खेले. आपको पता है इस फार्म हाउस में 85+ एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, और हम तो कुछ ही कर पाए बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी गॉट टायर्ड लाइक बाय देन. हमने जिप लाइन की तो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग था. इतना बड़ा ग्रीन फार्म हाउस. फिर हमने पूल एंजॉय करा. द होल फैमिली वाज इन द पूल. वी प्लेड लॉट ऑफ गेम्स. हमने वॉलीबॉल खेला पूल के अंदर, डांस किया. दे प्रोवाइडेड अस विद द डीजे एंड एवरीथिंग. फिर शाम होते होते हमने इस विला के रूम में गेम्स खेली. मेरी मदर इन लॉ का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करा. खाना वाज सुपर्ब, और हॉस्पिटैलिटी वाज.
Ambience of Ashoka Farms, Gurugram. This place is so perfect to enjoy with your friends and family, and it has huge space for parties, functions, and weddings. You can definitely come over with your friends and families to enjoy your beautiful days here. This place definitely going to give you the clean and spacious bedrooms, and will going to win the heart when you have a look at the washroom. This is so big and so clean. I loved spending my time with my family over here. From nature walks to picnics and farm tours, every moment here is blissful and you are definitely going to love the food over here. जब आप यहाँ पे विजिट करने वाले हैं आप इंजॉय कर सकते हैं बहुत सारी फन एक्टिविटीज़ विद योर किड्स ओवर हेयर. दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट प्लेस फॉर वेकेशन, parties and everything. Do let me know in the comment section when are you going to visit this place because I had very good experience over here. Thank you.